Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Claude AI not responding problem. So first of all, the first thing you need to do is just open a new tab and go on this website status.claude.com. Okay, press enter and make sure all systems are operational. Now after confirming this, go back again on your Claude. Just do a simple refresh, and if it doesn't work, try this new method. Clear your Claude site data. So if you are on a Chrome, just go on this option, this control panel right over here, click on it, and now click on cookies and site data. Okay, manage on device site data, click on it, and from here, delete it. Delete saved data for Claude AI. Now, if it also doesn't work, what you have to do is again go on the control panel, click on site settings, and you will see this interface right over here. Click on delete data and click on delete all the data. Now if you can't find this option in your browser, what you have to do is go on top right corner, click on these three dots. This option will be available on every browser. Now click on settings. Okay, from here go to privacy and security. Now here click on site settings, select Claude, and from here click on delete data. After that, click on delete. If you have installed any extension, just make sure to disable all the extension. Just click on this puzzle icon on top right corner, click on manage extension, and from here disable all the extension, and again try. Also, if you have turned on any VPN and if your internet connection is not properly working, make sure to disable your VPN and try connecting with a different internet connection. Now if it also doesn't work, try with another browser like Brave, Microsoft, or Edge. So that's it for the video. That's how you can do this. Also, if you are on a Claude desktop, restart the Claude desktop app or restart your computer and the problem should be solved. Thanks for watching.